We have all seen the accident. We have all seen police take away people's cars.
Mama,
we have all seen people lose their cars because of accidents, because of such kind of things. Today we are going to answer the questions, where do these cars go? Zinaendaga wapi? Because as you can see behind me is a police station. Siko sure kama tunafaa kurecord, but we are going to find out where do these cars go? Zinaendaga wapi? Gari kuja hapa ichukuliwe na polisi, maybe it's an accident, maybe it's insurance fraud, maybe it's any form that has made the police to confiscate your car, to take it. We are going to find out what happened. And of course, in the meantime, we are looking for Africa. So when we get Africa, it will be even better and we are going to have a nice time. Guys, I want you to learn something about me. Mimi wale wase, I am so, yani huwa najiaminia kiwango that sometimes naona kama I'm delusional, right? Because I actually thought the police can give me Africa. Sijui, maybe I'm crazy, maybe I don't know. But I really thought that the police were going to give me a car and they were going to help me. So, with my stupid confidence, I went in. And I went in not knowing what's going to happen, not knowing what they are going to say. So, I asked what? So, I met one of the officers there and I asked what happens to cars when they go to, when they take the cars as the police officers, wakichukua hizo gari, what happens to the cars? So he tells me that there's a procedure that happens and I will explain to you that later. But for this certain police station, it did not help. So he referred me to another station whereby it is, I would say it is the main station, or it is the main police station in Kenya, where cars, when they are taken due to accident, whatever it is, they are taken there. So I went there. A few hours later, a few minutes later. So guys, this where I went was the Pangani police station. Pangani police station in Nairobi, and it was quite nice. Yeah, actually it was a very beautiful place. Okay, I thought police stations were not supposed to be that nice, but I enjoyed because it was beautiful and it had a lot of cars. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. There were just cars which were fine, very fine, not even a scratch on them. There were cars which were destroyed beyond repair. There are cars which were just damaged. They were just crashed in the front end, back. Some had no windshield. There were a lot of cars. So I knew I was in the right place. I went into their offices, and before we continue, I want you to learn something. I asked because I wanted you to see what I saw. But there is number one rule in the police stations in Kenya. You cannot film anything inside there. They don't care where you are from. It is a rule. You cannot film anything there. So I could not film anything. And I'm glad I did not try. I was thinking, oh, I can film in secret. I see it. And oh my God, I am glad I didn't, because there's a story was given that another guy tried to film in secret. Yes, he got away. But after he posted the video, he was caught. Nah, I don't feel like going to jail. I really don't feel like going to jail. So I did not film. So this is what I was told. And before we continue, whatever I'm saying is not certified. It is not certified. Don't go quoting me to the police saying that you said this and this person said this and this. This is just my story, my own words, my own way. Whatever I'm saying right now is not written anywhere. It is not guaranteed anywhere. It is me I'm saying. Me, I did my own research. If you want, go and do your own. So as I'm saying, when a car is taken from you, as a driver, as whoever you are, when a car is taken from you, either because of accident, because of... Let's take a case scenario. Let's say there's a man called Man X. So Man X has had an accident and unfortunately he has died. And the car, because he cannot be left on the road, has been taken by the police, yeah? And the car has gone to the police station, in this case the Pangani police station, and they have the car there. No one has come to claim the car. No one has come to say anything about the car, and no one has come to say this is my father's, son's, brother's car and I want it back. The car stays there for 1, 2, 3, 4 years, maybe even 5 years, and the police need space because unfortunately it's not a good thing to say accidents happen more often than we would want to admit or we would want as people in this world. So the car stays there for a few years and they have nowhere to take it. This is what happens. The police go and look at the cars that have stayed there the longest. The cars that have been there the longest, they are given a certain document which is called an auction document. It is an auction permit or something like that. I think that is what he told me. The car is given a document for auction, and then an advertisement is gazetted, either in a newspaper, magazine, wherever it can be. It is gazetted, and in that gazette they say such and such a car is going to be auctioned on such and such a date. I will show you an example. Here is an example of such a document. These are examples of cars that have been gazetted and shown that will be auctioned on this particular date. After the auction is there, people, if me, I want a car from the police, I go on that auction day, and as an auctioneer, I auction for the cars, whatever price. If I win, that is the only way I am going to get the car. I know you might be asking yourself, then, if the car was taken through accident, if the car was taken through other means, where do I get the logbook? This is what happens. Once you get a car, you are given a certificate that is shown that you bought this car through auction from the police. So there is no logbook. Then you are going to go to NTSA, the Cars Authority, whatever place you are going to go, and now you are going to get another logbook from them, and you are going to go and take that document of auction that you bought this car from auction to the people in NTSA and tell them that I bought this car through auction from a so and so police station, and they gave me this certificate and they want me to come to you so that you can give me a logbook so that I can fully own this car. And the best thing, this thing, I liked it. And the best thing about this is that these cars are sold at a throwaway price. Black Friday and other things, but this is a throwaway price. And it's not just cars, I came to find out. It is borders, all such kind of vehicles that are found in the road, tuk-tuks, whatever you want. So you can go auction for even a third of a price. An example is, for a boda, I was told that when you go to a shop, you're going to buy it at maybe 100,000 to 120,000. But from this auction, you can even get a boda for as little as 10,000, 20,000, depending on the police station, because they just want to remove these cars from their yards, and so that they can put other ones. So they are going to sell them at throwaway places. So when you go and take the vehicle, take the boda, take the what, it is given at a very low price. But because of this series, because of whatever I'm doing here, because of whatever is going to go on in this series, we are looking for Africa, but we have learned. And guys, you have learned also. We have learned you cannot get Africa from the police. The police, there are certain ways to find things, there are certain ways to get those cars, there are certain ways to find out how to get these cars, and I have explained. You go, you auction, and then you buy the car, and then you go look for a logbook. So guys, if you are thinking, if you have brain like mine, I don't want to call myself stupid, but I might be. If you are like me and you thought you can get Africa from such a place, please don't. Learn from me. Learn from a mistake. You cannot get one. So just go through the official process, go through the auction, go through all these places, and yes, you are going to find a new car there. You are going to find even an old car, project like me. I'm looking for project, crash damage, or even old cars, whatever it is. Go through the official way. And as I said, whatever I've shown in this video is not verified. There is no place it is written this and this happens. It is my own research, it is my own findings, it is my own things. I am saying my own things. Do not quote me anywhere, please do not. Mimi sitaki watu waseme ati Rooney ama Young Rino alisema mahali. I did not say. I have shown you the video. I am creating this series for you, for your entertainment, and I am not saying go do what I said. Go find out on your own way. Go do your own research. If you want to buy a car from the police, go and do your auction, and I wish you all the best. If you like this video, if you enjoy research, content, cars, finding out where they go, finding out what goes on about cars, even if I am doing a series right now about having Africa or looking for Africa, if you like it, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and through your help, I will get Africa. Guys, the more people see these videos, the more chances I can get Africa, because I'm sure there's someone seated somewhere at home who has a car that is disturbing them, and they would want it to be, they would want to donate it to my series, to donate it to my channel. They would want it to be used for good, and because you're not sharing, because you're not subscribing, because you're not liking, these guys cannot find me. So please like, share, subscribe, and show as many of your friends these videos as possible. And next week on Saturday, I have posted this today. Today is on a Saturday. Next week on Saturday, I am going to post another video, and this one will be nice. We will going to be going to car scrapyards. Yani gari zenye wewe zinaenda kukrashiwa. Yeah, they have been given out to be crashed, to find out if we can get Africa from there. It is a full series there. Mutaona gari type zote. I will show you any type of car you want. High end, that Pro Box, whatever car you want, nitawaonyesha. I'm sorry this one has not have much of cars because this is a car channel, but next week on Saturday, wait, you will see a nice video full of cars, as many as you want, and I promise you, it is going to be nice. So we have learned that you cannot get Africa from the police. Why at the police? From the police. But you can get a very nice, low priced, whatever word you want to use. Oh, Jesus.